Ready to give your Shopify store a fresh new look? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Shopify theme without losing any of your existing content or settings. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Changing your theme is one of the fastest ways to transform your store's appearance and improve customer experience. Let me walk you through the safe and simple process. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Here you'll see your current theme along with options to explore new ones in the Shopify theme store. Before making any changes, always duplicate your current theme. Click Duplicate to create a backup copy. This protects you in case you want to revert back to your original design later. To add a new theme, click Visit Theme Store to browse free and premium options, or Add Theme to upload a custom theme you've purchased elsewhere. Once you find one you like, click Add Theme to install it. After installation, preview your new theme by clicking Customize. Explore how your existing products and pages look in the new design. When you're satisfied, click Publish to make it live. A crucial pro tip: test your new theme thoroughly before publishing. Check how it looks on mobile devices, test the checkout process, and verify all your links and images work correctly. Consider publishing during low traffic hours to minimize impact on your customers. And just like that, you've given your store a complete visual makeover. A fresh theme can breathe new life into your business and improve customer engagement. If this guide helped you transform your store's appearance, please give it a like. What's your favorite type of Shopify theme? Minimalist, bold, or something else? Share your preference in the comments below. To learn how to customize your new theme, subscribe for our next video on how to customize Shopify theme layout. Thanks for watching.